Hi guys, today we're doing a review on the TOSHIBA Satellite L750D. We're going to run through a few of the components as well as show you a few games and how it handles games. The TOSHIBA Satellite L750D comes with a dual-core E2 Vision AMD and has AMD Radeon HD graphics, as well as 6GB of RAM and 650GB. It also comes with Windows 7 Home Premium, has an LED backlit screen, 0.3 megapixel webcam for still photos and 1080p. There's lots of kind of comments saying that it has very sticky keys and misses out words, and you have to be very heavy-handed. I'm just going to write a short text to see if I misspell any of the words. So here we go. That's my average writing speed, and you can see I didn't actually misspell anything. The TOSHIBA Satellite also comes with a bundle package for an extra £24, which comes with Norton 5.0, laptop bag, a wireless mouse, as well as a 4GB USB. Because they had none left in stock, I've got red HP wireless mouse, as well as Norton version 6 gold. 1 terabyte of internet storage with know-how on the cloud services, and a laptop bag.
It has a nice sleek design as well as very nice and light. As you can see, it is pretty thin. Weighs basically nothing. It is very light considering how big it is, like an average size big laptop. So at the side we have the heatsink for the processor. We have the Ethernet cable to wire connect your internet, VGA cable to connect to an external monitor, have a USB for any USB devices, for instance an external hard drive, external USB, etc. We have external HDMI, so if you want to go out to a HDMI monitor or TV. We have a microphone input, and we also have a headphone output. Okay, on the other side we have another 2 USB sticks, like I mentioned, for any USB type device. We also have a CD and DVD drive, and also the power.
Also forgot to mention that in the bundle it comes with a white USB, 4GB USB, but because they didn't have it in stock, they got me a black SanDisk USB stick, 4GB, and it's very small, so that's good. Laptop also comes with face recognition to sign in, so no one else can sign in but you. We're now going to show you a little bit of gameplay and show you how it runs. So this is Minecraft almost on max settings. As you can see, it doesn't really lag at all, to be honest. A little lag occasionally, but I suppose that's not too bad, and you can get used to that pretty easily. We're now going to show you another game which I actually downloaded from the disc, Age of Empires 3. I know it's a 2007 game, I think, but it can run most strategy games I've found so far, like medieval, Total War medieval.
Okay, we are now on the graphic options, just to prove to you that all of this stuff is basically on high if you would like to scroll down, Corey. And Mal just had this slim LED backlit monitor that they have fitted onto this TOSHIBA laptop. Has exceptional graphics, especially with the graphics card that is built in.
This laptop comes at a very cheap price of £350 as well, which is not bad for what it can do and everything that it comes with. We hope you've enjoyed this review today, and we hope you can watch some of our other reviews, and please subscribe, and we will see you soon.